Hi folks, just a short video today, just to talk about fake Britain. So, riddled with counterfeit goods and stuff like that. So it's becoming a bit of a problem with fake members, fake people using the DPF Doctor name and logo to promote their business. So this is just a reminder for you that if someone's genuinely a member of the DPF Doctor network, then go onto our website. You can see it here written on the pickup, the-dpf-doctor.com. Punch in the DPF Doctor on Google and you'll find us. You see in the background there our dealer map where there's 110 dots on that map there. So that's what you're looking for. If they're not on there, then they are not a genuine member of the DPF Doctor network. So unfortunately we did receive an email yesterday from a customer that thought they were dealing with one of us, but they actually weren't. Seems to be especially a problem in the Manchester area. Numerous people using our name. What I would say is, if someone has to use another person's reputation to gain work, then that tells you, something about them. If they're not being honest about who they are they going to be honest with the repair on your vehicle? So the one in question yesterday was actually a member of a much larger network than us, but he must feel like he has to use our name to gain business. So just be careful. And a reminder, I'm standing here now in our own training centre. We are the only network that has its own dedicated training centre. We spend a lot of time on R&D. We have regular monthly training events for the members of our network. That's currently online due to COVID, but we did have a live training session online yesterday. We will have another one today, so all of our guys have the necessary training and they're kept up to date as well. It's an ongoing thing being part of the DPF Doctor network. So like I say, we're the only network out there that does that. So if you're not sure and you're not sure whether you're getting the right person looking at your vehicle, go on the website. If they're not on there, they're fake. Simple as that. So it's quite frustrating for us. We work hard to deliver great customer service, to make sure that all of the members of our network, so all the workshops on there, have the necessary training to do a good job. We're also the only network there that has a dedicated full-time technical helpline for all of our guys for them strange, any weird jobs. So you're in safe hands going to any of the genuine accredited members of the DPF Doctor network. So like I say, fake Britain, make sure you're not buying, just like buying the counterfeit trainers, make sure you've not got a counterfeit DPF Doctor looking at your car. So hopefully that helps a few of you from not getting the wrong person in to do the job. So cheers folks, thanks for watching. Check out the website. If they're not there, don't use them. Get in touch, let us know where they are. We might even start letting you know who these people are. You will contact them. We are trademarked, we own the trademark, so we're the legit guys. Cheers folks.